the Double Fibonacci Indicator, which is offered for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the bar chart. Additionally, traders can read this page to understand how the indicator works and functions. We select the indicator file from the Navigator section and execute the indicator by dragging the file onto the chart. Once the indicator is placed on the chart, it begins to display the fractal price levels. And it also displays the Fibonacci levels on the chart. The Double Fib indicator uses the identification of major and minor pivots to divide the levels into several parts, which we can use as support or resistance levels. Or we can use them to identify suitable entry and exit points. Additionally, this indicator provides traders with Fibonacci levels and draws two Fibonacci extensions and retracements, one in the major step and another in the minor step, to identify the PRZ level using Fibonacci and fractal levels, and to detect potential reversal points. For example, in this section, I changed the color of the Fibonacci extension from the settings for better visibility. In this part, a Fibonacci extension level overlaps with a fractal level, and we see that the price has repeatedly tried to break above this level, but has not succeeded, and then it moved downward. Our first step is to draw the Fibonacci retracement using major points. And in the price correction section, which moves from top to bottom, the Fibonacci extension is drawn. If the price returns, we can use the higher levels or the levels drawn downward as take profit, stop loss, and potential price movement points. Here, the price has moved downward. And if it moves upward, we can consider the next levels as potential price movement and reaction levels. In the settings section, under the Input tab, there are options available to us. The first option is N left, which is the minimum number of candles considered for identifying a high and low pivot on the chart and are reviewed. In the next section, there is the N right option, which determines the number of lines after identifying a price pivot. In the next section, there is also the filter option, which is the sensitivity of the indicator to small steps and minor market movements. The lower we set the value, the smaller steps we can include in the calculations, and the higher the number, the indicator identifies major steps as the main pivot. In the next two sections, we can also change and set the color of the Fibonacci retracement and the Fibonacci extension to our desired colors here. Well, friends, we have reached the end of the tutorial for this indicator. I would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.